branding is there. Then here is comes the last and final product, and I will see you this is the most interesting product whatever you got. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, whatever the unboxing I had done till now in any companies, you can say any companies welcome kit or anything I got, this one is the most interesting part. Okay, this is the cube type box, and this can be rotatable, and you can see, let me show you one thing, like it's not opening at all. So let me somehow I just opened it, and let me show you how it look like and how it is helpful for you. So see, this is the box you got. This is look like an Infosys branding, everywhere Infosys branding is there, but let me tell you, this is the Rubik cube. Okay, and every time you opened and you just slide, it will be move to another part, and you can see definitely a logo, and this can be very helpful and you can enjoy your time by using this one. Okay, this is the AR it's mentioned, and if you open it can show you much more about Infosys and its many more things. Okay, well guys, this is all the product I got from Infosys. These are 5 product you'll be getting whenever you got any kind of welcome kit, except this laptop and mouse. These are exceptional, these I didn't introvert over here in this video. This is only about welcome kit whichever you got. Okay, and you can see this is a good one. You can join also Infosys. This is a nice company. I also feel good. So guys, how it look like? Thank